Welcome to video 112. This is Noah. I'm Bill. So he's having a little issue. It's really hot here in Seaside, Oregon, on the Oregon coast. But as you can see, the ocean's behind us. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And today we are going to read Diary of a Fly. You ready? By Doreen Cronin. Diary of a Fly. June 7th. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I'm so nervous. What if I'm the only one who eats regurgitated food? June 8th. Great news. Everyone eats regurgitated food. It's kind of funny. Things they teach you in flight class. We are the most accomplished flyers on the planet. Our average speed is 4.5 miles an hour. We eat backwards when taking off. Things they should teach you in flight class. Always have a flight plan. Ooh, the dog's trying to eat the fly. June 12th. My parents left us with a babysitter last night. When they got home, 87 of us were stuck in a strip of flypaper. Mom says we were a lot easier to watch before we grew heads. That's rude. Today we practiced landing on moving targets. I am standing on her head right now. June 15th. My school pictures came out terrible. Mom says next time I'd better have all my eyes looking in the same direction. A lot of eyes. My first science assignment is to use my 5 senses to observe something creepy. I chose a first grader. Yuck. June 18th. Worm and spider came over today. We used a magnifying glass to take a really good look at ourselves. Dust with milk, gnat juice, cabbage, egg. No idea. Dirt, orange peel, more dirt, still more dirt. Man, we are filthy. I know, you're unhappy, huh? We're reading the book and you're having fun. You are having fun regardless if you're upset or not. I know you are because you love the beach. You just got done swimming. I'm making an all about me book for my mom. I asked my mom why I can't have my own room like Worm. Because you have 327 brothers and sisters. That's why. I told her, they're doing a project here on the beach. They're building something, so there's a lot of construction. I told her we could have half of them in the garbage to save space. I'm having a timeout in the garbage right now, or in the garage. Yeah. July 14th. Spider's grandfather is so smart. He taught me flies were a very important part of the food chain. Very cool. You're very important. July 15th. Worm sat me down and explained the food chain. That is so not cool. The babysitter came back last night. She brought a frog. When Mom and Dad got home, we were all exactly where we were when they left. They didn't want to get eaten by a frog. July 21st. Why I would make a good superhero. I have the most powerful flight muscles on the planet. I can land upside down. I can see in all directions at once. Spider says superheroes bend steel with their bare hands. You eat horse manure with your feet. I never thought about it that way. But I don't want to lose my place where we were when we were reading. Today I learned that flies beat their wings 200 times per second. No wonder I keep falling asleep in math. July 23rd. I visited my Aunt Rita today. She's been trapped on the wrong side of the screen for a week. My word, how you've grown, dear. That's funny. Let's turn the page. August 1st. I just know I would make an excellent superhero. I have 4,000 lenses in each eye. I can walk on walls. I can change directions in flight faster than a blink of a human eye. Spider said, superheroes save the world from outer space villains. Your brain is the size of a sesame seed. I never thought about it that way. August 2nd. Today I told Worm and Spider that I could never be a superhero like I wanted. Worm looked me right in the eyes and said, the world needs all kinds of heroes. Spider said, I never thought about it that way. Neither did I. And look, he's a superhero. He's flying. That is awesome. That is Diary of a Fly by Doreen Cronin. So that was a good book, guy. So even though he's upset half the time, and you know, he warms up to it. There's a nice breeze now here when we're on the beach, How can you not be in a good mood? I know. I just got done swimming. I had a pretty good night's sleep last night. So I'm going to show you the coast real quick. You see it? It's beautiful. And they're doing some kind of live event project or something they're building or something. That's why all the construction equipment is there. But Noah, can you say goodbye to everybody? I need you to wave. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Alright guys, I hope you're having a good time. All is well here. We got some good professional photos last night on the sunset at the beach. The weather cooperated just a little bit. And then, so as always, like and share our Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube. Look for Noah's Path. Subscribe there as well. Follow along with him on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Alright guys, until tomorrow. This is Noah and Bill. Alright, take care guys.